Day 25. Day 25. Okay, so I have 2 teeth here. Oh my God, they're so sensitive today. These 2, okay, just these 2. And even if I push them there, I can feel my own fangs underneath. Yeah, so I've had to get on to the dentist, my own dentist here in Ireland, because like I'm day 25, and I'm exhausted, and I'm absolutely starved. I'm starving. I'm drinking soup. It can't be too hot, can't be too cold. Yeah, I could do with losing weight, but like that, like I am after losing weight since I got these done, because I can't eat properly, because once you eat, then it's like all the food separates and, you know, spreads into all the nerves of your mouth. So yeah, so I'm really hungry, but I won't disappear anytime soon. I know I look absolutely ridiculous with my hand over my mouth, but yeah, it's just, if the air goes into my mouth, it'll actually, yeah, and the pain is shooting at my ear. Yeah, so I'm absolutely getting slammed because, and I can only presume it's from reps, that, you know, that I am bad mouthing the Turkish dentistry industry. I'm not bad mouthing them. And I got turkey teeth in my mouth. And that I'm lying about pain. That I'm in no pain. That I'm lying about it. And obviously I work for an Irish dentist, and I'm trying to promote Irish dentistry at home. Lads, I couldn't afford to get these teeth done in Ireland. So yeah, so I did go to Turkey, and yeah, but yeah, that I'm promoting Ireland. That's, if I could have afforded to get them done in Ireland, I'm sure I'd still be in a bit of pain, because, you know, and I'm sure that the stuff would be done over a period of time. Sorry, now I got to put something under because it's driving me out. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, today's a really bad day. Today's a really bad day. But yeah, getting slammed, and I can only presume it's from reps, because I've affected business, because people now are second guessing themselves and not actually traveling to Turkey. That's, you know, guys, it's each their own. The main reason I wanted to post these videos was to kind of let people know that there is pain. Like, if you get a filling in Ireland, your mouth is sore on that side, whichever side you get your filling on, your mouth is sore for a couple of hours for that day. So you're telling me that I had 26 teeth filed down, these shoved into my mouth, that I'm not in pain, that I'm lying about the pain. Oh, whatever.